get some now.
Okay. Set that there. And
Where's the blue? Can I have them?
no, not this one. This one's sharp.
On something else to use. Can I have something that can do this?
Watch out. Watch your hands.
Can I have my blue thing? Step aside. And then her.
Oh, are you okay?
Where's the bread? There's the toast. There. How about we make a bread? How about we make a bread? How about we make a bread? Hey, how about we make a bread?
Okay, buddy.
Let's make the bread. This one goes. So this one goes here. These are not heavy, are they?
No, they're not heavy.
Okay. Those ones are heavy too.
Okay.
They're heavy. These ones are not heavy. Bridge.
Woo. Good job, buddy.
Let's do some people in there.
Okay. And then we're going to do this one. We're going to put this on top.
The glues. So it sticks.
Okay. And then don't touch it.
It's sticking. Why is it sticking?
We're going to do the same thing with this one. Okay?
This one's tripping down. I'll
Yeah.
touch it. I catch it.
You touched it? Okay, that was probably a little bit much.
I better put it on.
No, we don't put it on the shirt, buddy.
Where? Can I put it on here?
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, you can put it on there, bud.
Can I use what does this squipper do?
Well, it did just that. It took the extra glue.
Can I see a screw? Oh, can I see it? Okay. It sticks.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna put that there, and we're gonna put more glue on top. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Well, stop that. We're gonna put this in there, and then we're gonna stop for a second. Okay. And we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna leave these like this. Put it right there.
Can I do glue?
Well, I want you to. We're gonna do glue right here.
No, do
Uh,
it.
Okay. Can you squeeze it a little bit? Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze. All right. Okay. Stop squeezing.
No, do it.
You want to do your brush?
They're all done. Now we stick that on top. Now hold this one.
Yep.
And then
Put it
this
right,
one.
Yep. Put it right on top. Around.
A new person. Why do I have to stand up here?
Just so you can see. You wouldn't be able to see if you were standing on the floor. Come on.
What happened?
Say, come on, glue. Say it out loud. Come on, glue.
Come on, glue.
All right. You want to spread that one around, or do you want me to do it? All right. You ready? Where should it go? No, not that side. Yeah.
I'll put it on there, like this.
Okay. You put it on there and push it. All right.
Good job.
Now we need to get some clamps, okay?
Can I have a clamp?
Well, you can help tighten it, okay?
Can I have a clamp too?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
How cute is that?
Oh, that's so sweet.
Is this one mine?
Yep. I want you to squeeze this part. Squeeze.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Look it for a second. Okay.
Go
Right
ahead.
here. Squeeze it. Go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Do it again. Open. Squeeze.
Good
Open.
job.
Squeeze. Open. Squeeze. Squeeze there.
Okay.
Here we need to wipe.
Can I have my new pliers?
Yes. Can you want to wipe the top, or you want me to do it?
I'll wipe.
Okay. Wipe all the glue. Okay.
Can you hold it so I can do it? Oh, you just because you're so big. Yeah, can I get down over?
Yeah, you can climb down with it.
Can I try and get?
This clamp that's over here.
Can I have a clamp too? It's very heavy.
It's a little bit heavy.
I'll hold this up the top and the bottom like this. What do I do with that one?
Just squeeze in the middle. Squeeze. Squeeze. All right. Did we do a good job?
I have to poop inside.
You want to poop inside? Okay.
I need to. I'm gonna go inside and poop.
Okay.